Well, I'm almost ready to do the exciting part of making these koi fish tacos. It's actually gonna be the part of dredging, breading, and frying this cod. I know it sounds strange because usually you'd think with fish tacos, you're actually putting them on the grill, but this is where it's all gonna start. It's gonna start right over here with the tempura batter. Now, tempura batter can be found in almost any grocery store and in your ethnic aisle. If not, some specialty stores have it, but it's really nice and easy to work with. One of the keys to it when you're making the batter is using cold water. So I'll show you this. Should I get everything out of here? Now, we don't need a lot for this. I put a little bit here that we're gonna dredge the fish in first, and this helps when we take the cod out of the marinade, dredge it in here, creates a little coating, and then we'll put it into the wet batter, and it helps it stick to it. Now, this is really cold ice water that I'm putting in here. There we go. And before I put too much in, I wanna kinda whisk it and just see how thick it is. It's supposed to be kinda thick, almost like pancake batter. Not supposed to wear all of it, okay? Get a little bit more in here. And follow the directions, but the idea is less is more. You can always add more water, but if you run out of the tempura batter and it's already all in the bowl, you have nowhere to go. Okay, there we go. Now the fish has been marinating over here. This is cod. It's been marinating in some tequila, some lime juice, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of salt, a little pepper. I've got this going everywhere. Maybe, do this in a large bowl, then pour it into this. So there's the dredge, there's the batter, here comes the panko. What's panko? Well, this is a Japanese breadcrumb. It's kind of a coarse breadcrumb, doesn't really have a lot of flavoring or seasoning in it, kind of like an Italian breadcrumb. This is just all crunchy breadcrumb. You watch this because I'm gonna be sending some of these to you, okay? So that's out. Now we do have to debling for this because we get our hands all the way into it so rings come off. Here we go. Shake the marinade off, dredge it in the tempura flour. Now into the batter. That cold ice water really helps this batter adhere to the fish. How you doing on those tortillas? You got some tongs right there if you need them, boss. Those get too hot. Okay, now, all done up. Transfer them over to the pan, and you can see why we debling. Okay, take them, roll them over into the breadcrumbs, and kind of press the breadcrumbs down a little bit. And then we're gonna go right into this canola oil. It's at 350. Drop them down.
Turn it off the stove right now.
So we've got some cod that's been in tempura, panko breadcrumbs, fried up, and now we're gonna make some Tex Wasabi koi fish tacos. Money. Okay, guys, let me show what happens here. We pile this on top of the cabbage, all right? And then we got some warm tortillas right there, okay? So let me get a tortilla out. Okay, so these corn tortillas, nice job grilling these, by the way. Okay, so you grab a piece of cod, break it up on there, take a little bit of lime, squeeze that on top, okay? And the aioli, well, this has got, I'd say, the garlic and the tequila and lime in that. Take a little bit of this over the top, a little bit of cabbage, top of there, some of the pico de gallo, the beak of the rooster. There you go. Wow. Outstanding. Guys, the crunch, you get the tomato, the pico de gallo, the cabbage is nice and firm in there. Money.